Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my class of CIS 3146 Embedded Systems. The focus of this session is on how you will contact to your tutor to get any support in this module. In the next slide, I have highlighted some important points which you can use to contact to your tutor to get the support. So here you can see. So if you have any doubt, you can ask your question anytime. It is highly recommended that you discuss your doubt during the seminar session or tutorial session. Tutorial session will be face-to-face session, and you can discuss your queries during this session. You can write me email. My email ID is given here. I will try my best to respond to your queries as early as I can, but sometimes it might take 24 to 48 hours. You can discuss your queries or you can get any information in this module during the office hours. In this semester, due to COVID-19, all the office hours will be organized online, and we will use Microsoft Teams or Skype for Business for the office hours. So I will be available online, and you can use Skype for Business or Microsoft Teams to discuss your doubt. The timing for office hours are Tuesday from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and on Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So during these timing, I will make myself available online, and you can discuss your doubt or you can get any information related to this module during these timings. If you want to discuss anything in this module other than the tutorial session or other than the office hour session, then what you can do, you can make appointment for other times. So in order to make appointment, what you can do, you can write me email in advance. My email ID is given here to fix meeting schedule. Most of the meeting will take place virtually. I already explained why, because of COVID-19. And for the meeting, in this module, we will use Microsoft Teams or Skype for Business. So you need to make yourself, you need to ensure that you have working camera and a microphone for the online meetings. This module will be taught by one more instructor, and the information about another instructor is given in the next slide. So Dr. Swagat will support in this module, that is in embedded system module, and he is also from the Department of Computer Science. His email ID is given here, his contact number is given here, his office location is THG 10, that is on the ground floor. His URL is presented here, and the office hours is given here, that is he will be available online on Thursday from 2 to 3 p.m. and on Friday again from 2 to 3 p.m. So you can use Microsoft Teams or Skype for Business to discuss your doubt with Swagat. That's all from my side in this session, that is for contact and support session. Thank you and happy learning.